Be sure, absolutely 100% sure, that before you press your aluminium plate, that you remove this protective coating. That has a bleed around the outside. Now the bleed allows you to place your trophy plate on top, position it, tape it in a couple of spots. It doesn't need a lot of tape, one on each side is absolutely fine. And print it on a piece of greaseproof paper or baking paper. That's going to catch the bleed line, which is also printed in sublimation ink, and stop it from printing onto your base, which will then affect other transfers that you do after that. So print it so that it's face up underneath the heat plate. You could probably even do two under here if you wanted to. I've set the press to 190 degrees for 80 seconds. Press it down and then we wait. There's your protective piece. Place it top, another piece in the middle. Oh, is that the right piece? Yeah. In the middle. And at the bottom, we've got 32 seconds to go. This will show you how quick this is to put together. Okay, we've got 10 seconds to go. Grab the base. There's our transfer, all ready to go. Pop up, position over the top, position your plate nice and centered, and press down firmly. And there it is, your trophy. And that's the paper after it's printed. So you can see there's been quite a lot of the transfer of colour. Give it a try. They're really simple to put together and you'll be happy with the result.